Here's a 1955 Ford T-Bird, black, automatic trans, running, very original condition. Does have a cracked window here. And here's the inside. The needle for the tachometer's gone, but speedometer's there. Fuel tank was replaced and all the fuel lines. Brakes have been completely redone. It shifts into gear, it runs good. Got a Continental kit on it. Got a original black plate. Now the owner states that some work had been done in this quarter panel in the past, but the work looks, satisfactory. I don't see any signs of anything horrible back there. That looks good. The other side, looks like the original radio is gone from the dash there, but the seats are nice. I'll go around and check and see if they're power seats or not. The dash pad looks good. Weather strips will need to be replaced. That's pretty typical. And what I like is that it's got some of the original date codes still stamped on here. And there's the data plate. Original radiator. There's the hood. Now all the chrome will need to be redone. And overall, it's a nice original car.